Hello guys, we are now in our village, Middleton Cheney in England, and today is a very exciting day because many parks, private parks are open today and people can visit them. So many local people open their garden to show to visitors. First of all, guys, we are going to visit the big garden with the big enormous fish. You can see here the retro car. Okay. Yeah. Wow, so big fishes.
On that side there's even more big fishes.
In England, people admire their gardens. In Ukraine, people have gardens usually for practical things like catching fruits from trees. British are doing gardening in their spare time to relax after a busy working day or keep themselves busy. The owner of gardens treated their guests with delicious cakes and cup of tea, of course. So we have nice cakes and coffee and juice for Marianne. I think these cakes were made by lovely people who live in these beautiful gardens. The next one is the garden of very lovely lady called Margarita. Margaret is retired now, but she used to travel a lot with her husband. These dishes she brought from different countries of the world. Now she is happy to greet people in her cozy garden. Margaret was a really lovely lady. I call her the friend of Ukrainians because she knew many Ukrainians and sometimes she called them to her house. It's so nice.
It's called the Willen Garden.
Sorry?
It's called the Willen Garden.
Willen Garden? Ah, understand. In Ukraine, in the old Ukraine, we used to have this wooden part and it's used to call perelas. It's very, very famous from the old Ukraine. In many songs you can hear about it. Old English houses with straw roof remind us Ukrainian ancient houses. In Ukraine, you can see them in outdoor museums. So here, guys, supposed to be the third garden with English flags. So thank you guys for following us in our trip in beautiful garden in England. In the next video there will be the new excited trips. Thank you for staying with me and goodbye.